Hi guys, Rachel from Trainer Nights here. Today we're going to be making a little chibi, my neighbor Totoro necklace. I think it's super cute and I think y'all will think it's cute too. So let's go clay. I just gather my supplies and I start with some brown clay, cutting it thin so I can roll it through my pasta machine. Now that it's thin, I'm going to actually cut it and then double it and then cut it into an oval. I'm going to smooth out the sides a little bit and kind of adjust the shape to what I want it to look like. And then I'm going to cut some branches up at the top because I thought it was a good idea. And in the end, it didn't really matter. And I'm going to take my little pointed silicone tool and lightly go up and down to texture and cut off the middle branch because it looked kind of weird. Then taking the chisel tip silicone tool and doing the same kind of texture and tucking in the bottom. And now I'm going to take some chalk pastels, and I'm going to take some brown and black and just brush it over the entire surface. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe away a lot of the excess so it kind of is like a wash of paint, but it's with chalk pastels. I'm going to roll out 3 different shades of green because I'm going to have multiple colors of leaves because I want some more dimension in there. And I'm going to just cut up all of these greens into a few little slices. And to make the leaves, I just roll it into a ball and then flatten it and pinch out the end to make a teardrop shape. And I goofed with my camera, as usual, and didn't record the part where I started laying down the leaves, but I just kind of laid them down, starting from the bottom and working my way up towards the top until I was just happy with how it looked. And now for the Totoro. I'm just going to take a ball of clay, kind of pinch him into a teardrop shape, and then pinch the top 2 points to kind of make his ears. And then just to shape him out a little bit more, made him more bottom heavy with a smaller head. Then some beige clay for his tummy. And I'm taking 2 very small pieces of white clay, rolling them into balls and placing them down for his eyes. And then I'm going to take 2 even smaller pieces of black for his pupils. And he needed some stuff on his tummy, so just some small little gray snakes of clay, folded into triangles, and some black for his nose. Then I just apply some Bacon Bond and press him right into the center. And I'm just cleaning up with a little bit of acetone, adding the glue, and I glazed him twice. Add the necklace, and voila! A chibi Totoro necklace is complete. That's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And why don't you go ahead and comment down below what your favorite Studio Ghibli movie is, if you've even seen any. My favorite is probably The Cat Returns. I think it's really underrated, but it's super cute and kind of silly. And that's all I have for today, so I'll see y'all in the next one.